channel and welcome with another video. It's around evening time here and it's a dinner time. So we are planning to go out somewhere for dinner and Shruti ने एक definitely best location सर्च किया है, like it's the best restaurant for momos जहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छे तरह के मोमोज मिलते हैं. So आज हम वहाँ पे जाएंगे and like I wanna try that momos. Let me tell you one thing before that. I was staying here almost like 5 years. मैं 5 साल से दुबई में रह रहा हूँ and she just came now like कुछ महीने हुए उसको आके and like मैंने कभी इतना अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट सर्च नहीं किया to eat momos and she did it. So just clap for her. अब मैं एक बार वहाँ पे मोमोज खाने के लिए गया था जब हम फर्स्ट टाइम वहाँ पे विज़िट किया था एंड लाइक स्पेशली उस रेस्टोरेंट में बहुत ही अच्छे तरह के मोमोज मिलते हैं, लाइक वैराइटीज, टेस्ट इज़ रियली गुड. मैंने बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट दुबई में ट्राई किए मोमो खाने के लिए बट इतना मज़ा नहीं आया. बट जो रेस्टोरेंट है जो इसने सर्च किया इट्स रियली ऑसम एंड अमेजिंग. सो आज हम वहाँ पे विज़िट करेंगे मोमोज खाने के लिए. सो लेट्स गो एंड हैव अ लुक. सो फाइनली गाइज हम वो रेस्टोरेंट के यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं. एक्चुअली रेस्टोरेंट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल बट द टेस्ट इज़ रियली ऑसम. सो लेट्स गो. आई विल शो यू द मोमो. इट्स वेरी नाइस वन गाइज. सो लेट्स गो. विल गो इनसाइड एंड विल चेक. So guys, restaurant is really full. There is no space for us. So we have reserved our space. So we will wait around 10 to 20 minutes for our turn. So let's see. Just I'm roaming outside, nothing to do. So 10 या 15 मिनट बाकी है. उसके बाद हमको जगह मिलेगी रेस्टोरेंट में बैठने के लिए. So बस बाहर घूम रहे, नज़ारे देख रहे. You can join us guys. Well, it's a Burjuman. You can see outside it's a Burjuman business bay. That's really nice place here. Welcome and the awesome sizzlers here. Yeah, that looks so lovely. Yeah, look at this momos. Yeah, noodles. We have noodles too. That's so nice with soup. We are missing a cold drink. Where is cold drink? Let's see how it looks now. My lips. So nice and it's really tasty guys. Let's try. Actually this one is good. Let me try the white one. Let me try how it's tasty. White one is also good. That's so nice. Now it's time to test. I know that's it. We take some chicken also. I love it. Thank you. So guys, I'm finished with a lovely and awesome dinner. It was really good. Let me tell you something about that restaurant. A quick feedback from my side actually. The restaurant is so good. Regarding the price, is little, you can say, costly compared to other momos restaurant that I have visited before. If cost is a little bit higher, it's fine, but the food quality was so good. Food was so delicious, and it's really nice food. So if you are planning to come here and visit that restaurant, let me tell you how you can come here, right? So from the Burjuman metro station, you have to take exit number 3 towards Burjuman Mall, and you have to keep walking straight. Once you reach here in home center, the opposite side you can just cross and go opposite side, and you will find a momos restaurant. So just come visit with your family, friends, and have fun. Just try, guys. It's really nice, and I loved it. The momo was so good. It's my favorite actually, so I just love it. See you in the next video.